Welcome back to our channel, Kicking It with Cheryl and Joe.
Alright guys, today we're doing it. We're making the Italian sausage, baby. Here we go. We got the picking shoulder right here. Opened it up out of the package, rinsed it off. Now the first thing we're going to do with this is we're going to start cleaning it up a little bit, taking some of the fat off. We do want some of the fat, but just not too much of it. So we're going to clean a little bit of it up. And then Cheryl, my trusty assistant, my beautiful wife, is going to start grinding it up for us. Alright guys, so I'm all done. I just finished up with the meat. So I got it over here. It's all cleaned up. And now Cheryl's going to run it through the grinder.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay, so can you hit the button for me so I don't get it dirty?
Alright guys, so this is going to be a little loud, so we're just going to speed this part up. So I cut it up in the strips, so this way when it goes in the grinder, the thing catches it and takes it through the cutter nice and easy. So here we go. Got the meat all ground up. This is what it looks like. Now if you guys want to skip the step of cutting up your meat and grinding it yourself, you can just get the butcher to grind up your meat. This is about 12 to 15 pounds of pork picking shoulder. So alright, so first step we're going to put the salt on top. Now I don't know the exact measurements. I always just spread my meat out like this and then I just put it on. So, like it looks like it snowed on top.
We just coat the top of it.
Yeah, just a light coat, but you still want to be able to see the meat through the salt.
And that's the best part of making it yourself, because we don't really care for salt that much, so we try not to really use it.
So we kind of just make it to our taste. So what we'll do once we mix it up, put it in the pan and we'll see if we like how it tastes. If not, we'll add a little bit more salt.
Mm-hmm. So that's the thing, when you make it yourself, you can make it to your taste.
Usually,
so if you don't like a whole lot of salt, then you don't have to put a whole lot of salt.
A little less.
Yeah.
But usually doing it like this, I usually get it just perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect ratio for salt to meat. We've tried making it with no salt.
No.
He did not like the taste of it. And if you buy it from the store, it's super salty. Okay, show them.
Alright, so we're going to start off with it like that. bit of coarse black pepper in there.
Butcher block.
Yeah, butcher block pepper, or coarse black pepper. And again, sorry, no measurements. You could weigh these things out on a scale, but you would have to figure out online what ratio to use per pound to salt and pepper. But we always
Italians don't measure.
yeah, just do it by hand. You know, we've done it so much, we kind of know how we like it.
We shake and taste.
Yeah. So that looks about right there. Now,
Fennel?
fennel seed. So,
We put extra fennel
yep.
because it gives it a really, really nice flavor. And fennel is known to help if someone has like indigestion or something like that.
So now what we do is we do this 2 times. So this is the first round. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm gonna cut the meat into 4 sections, and then pick up the meat and stack it on top. This will help when we're mixing it up, everything get distributed.
Evenly.
Yeah. So now, just push it down. Just get your hands in there and just mix this up. Alright, it's gonna be some good sausage, baby.
I like your sausage.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome, babe. Also, we've made sausage with lamb, chicken, turkey. You take the turkey breast or the chicken breast, you grind that up. Or the lamb, you grind that up. Season it to how you like it. One way that is really good is if you take parsley and provolone cheese and you mix it all in there.
Yeah, delicious.
Throw that baby on the grill and it is delicious, guys.
And guys, you could also tell by like the texture, so this is like falling apart a little bit too easily, so I think we need some more salt, babe. So let's go ahead and coat the top one more time. Alright, so here we go. We're still mixing this up. We want to get it mixed up nice and good. And you can kind of feel that it's ready the way it gets stiff. And it's like really sticking together. That's how you want it.
If it's not stiff and it breaks apart very easily, you gotta add some more salt, fennel, and black pepper.
Yes. Or just a little bit of salt if that's all you want. It shouldn't feel like just ground up meat anymore. It should have like
Denser texture.
dense texture. It should be hard to mix up. And then you know you're good and you did it right.
We don't like salty sausage, so for 10 to 12 pounds, you use about 1/4 of a cup, give or take a little, to your taste. But that seems to be the perfect ratio. And we use 2 bottles of that fennel. And the pepper is to your taste. Just shake it. About a tablespoon, maybe.
Yeah, about a tablespoon of black pepper. All
The
right.
coarse butcher block.
Yep. All right, guys, so at this point, this is when you would want to go ahead and put it back through the grinder and stuff it into your sausage casing. But we haven't been able to find it in the past, so we just figured out if we just shape the sausage into links and put it on a pan and put it in the oven, it comes just as good. And we've actually like it better
We
that
like
way.
it better. Whew, we didn't really care for the casing anyway.
Yeah, so all you guys got to do is to take your sausage, form it into a sausage link like this, and then you put it on your pan, stick it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then you could just take it out and you could slice it just like sausage. You could put it on top of your pizza, you could put it in your sauce, whatever you're gonna do with it. Or if you were gonna make sausage patties, you can know how to do that.
Sausage and peppers.
Yeah, if you're gonna do sausage and peppers, you're just making the links like that, or sausage patties. You just make a little meatball and then you mash it down. And then you could throw that. You could even cook it in the grill, or you could cook it in the oven.
And if you mix this with the veal and beef, it makes a really good meatball as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we've done that a lot of times.
Yep.
All right. So what are we gonna show them to cook? We're gonna cook it in the oven or what?
You want to cook it in the oven or in a pan?
In a pan.
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. So here you go. Here's the sausage. You can see it's really hard to kind of move it around now. It's kind of lifting up the bowl. It's just exactly what you guys want to have.
And if you
That's right.
if you guys want to make it into hot sausage,
Oh yeah. Yep. You just put some paprika and some red pepper flakes in there. And then you'll have hot Italian sausage. But we made it sweet, just some fennel, black pepper, and salt. Very simple, very easy. And like I said before, if you guys don't want to take the step of grinding your own meat or whatever, just ask your butcher and they can grind it up for you, and then you just bring it home and put the spices in yourself, and you have nice fresh sausage for like $1.60 a pound, opposed to $5, $6, $7 a pound, depending on where you are in buying sausage. Like if you bought it out the case, that's like the price, right? $5 or $6, maybe $7 a pound for sweet Italian sausage, fresh.
and usually it was a little more expensive this week for some reason.
Yeah.
Usually it's like 99 cents to $1.19 a pound.
Yep. Yeah, we paid $1.60 a pound for this.
Yeah. And as we were saying before, guys, that chicken sausage with the parsley and the provolone cheese, when you put that on the grill, it is so good. And you grill some vegetables with it, and it's delicious. What do you think?
I think it's delicious, yeah.
And it makes a really good
It's a
summer,
little too much.
nice, easy summer dinner. So you don't have to make your whole house hot.
Yeah, or tell them, baby, we cook it up with sauce, with
Oh, yeah.
pasta and vegetables, and
Yeah, we've made videos with it before in the pasta and vegetables.
yeah. So here we go, guys. We just made a little patty. We're just gonna throw it in a pot with a little bit of water in it, and cook it up, and then we'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys. So here we go. We got this the sausage. We cooked it up just to taste it and make sure we got it to where we want it. First, let's say our grace. Father God, we thank you, Lord, for this food that's set before us, Lord. Please bless it, sanctify it, and make it holy, and help us to nourish our bodies. In the name of Jesus we pray. Amen.
So big.
Sorry. Right. All right. So little recap. We got our pork picnic shoulder. Okay. We had the butcher debone it, deskin it, brought it home, cleaned it up, cut it into little strips, fed it through our grinder, made ground pork. Then we put our salt, we put our fennel, we put our pepper, and we mixed it up. And then we got 3 big balls here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna be freezing 2, and we're gonna save 1 in the fridge for another meal. So we got our 1 gallon bag. Just gonna flip it inside out. So this way I keep my hands clean. Take my hand. Just gonna put that bad boy up. Put it to the side. And you do the same thing with this bag. Put my hands in there. Yeah. Now, this would fit in a 1 gallon bag, but it's easier like this. And then when you have it nice and thin, it will defrost in no time when you take it out of the freezer. Literally maybe 45 minutes, an hour, depending on how cold it is in your home.
Yeah,
It will defrost.
and how thick.
Sausage, but in the 1 gallon bag, you can get it pretty thin. So just mash it down.
Guys, when you cook the sausage, always make sure it's at 160 degrees in the center. And if it's 160 in the center, you know it's perfectly done.
Yep. Safety.
Safety first. Because if you don't cook it all the way, you could get very sick. You could even die. Safety first, people.
All right. So guys, when you're putting it in here, just try your best to get it as even as you can. Because again, you want it to defrost evenly and fast.
Because you can get sick.
Yeah, and we recommend
the safest way to do this is to defrost it in the refrigerator.
Yeah, and that will be overnight. But you could put it on your counter for a couple, like I said, like at 45 minutes to an hour, and it will be defrosted.
Or in cool water.
Yeah, cool water. Yeah.
Cool water or the refrigerator is the safest way.
If you're gonna do the putting it in cold water, I would double bag it, fold it like this, and drop it inside another 1 gallon bag, and then put it in under the cold water in the sink. But like thin like this, if you just put it on your counter and you watched it 45 minutes to an hour, it will be perfectly safe. All right, guys, here we go. We got our 2 bags of sausage ready for the freezer. All right, and this will be good for about 6 months in the freezer. So guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and to share this video, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.